Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pensacola, New Jersey. Back again, yes, with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub for sale right now. And you guessed it correctly, it's another Artesian hot tub. Fully sourced and made in America, made in Las Vegas, Nevada for many, many, many years. Still a great, great company. This spa, purchased in 2018, is the Artesian South Seas 851LDX, the deluxe version, which is a huge, huge tub, 91 inches by 91 inches and deep. Just check it out all the way around. Look at that beautiful sterling marble, which has got white and gray and sterling silver in it, accented with that appropriate, very gorgeous black charcoal cabinet, all resin, all maintenance free, high quality cabinet from Artesian always. And to continue those darker accents, which is what everybody wants right now, is the black spa cover, a new cover, all in black, nice and thick. Beautiful tub, a true 6-seater. They did not try to jam 7 or 8 seats into this big 91. They wanted every seat to be, roomy and comfortable. You've got a great big deep lounger here with the walls, because many of the complaints from folks, or especially ladies with loungers, is that they float or they bobble around and they just can't sit still sometimes. This lounger has a deep area for your butt to go down. There are walls on each side that aren't just armrests. They kind of keep you from doing that side-to-side float or sway out of there. Jets everywhere, upper, mid, lower, under the thighs, under the knees, under the calves, under the feet. Other seat here with a 6-pack and then a 2-pack of jets and foot jets. And the famous dome foot jets that you see in bigger Artesians and a few other brands out there. Look, wherever I'm going, there are foot jets waiting for you. It's a beautiful thing. Look at the size of that huge footwell. It's about 40 by 40 inches wide, and it's deep, so you've got so much leg room everywhere. This seat here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 jets in that seat alone. When I started in the hot tub industry, every spa had 5 or 6 jets in the entire spa. There's an 18-pack right there, right? Not to mention the foot jets. So you've got 20 jets massaging your body while you sit in that seat. It is just fantastic. Neck and shoulder, upper shoulders, mid-back, beneath the lower part of the shoulders, both sides of the spine, lower back. You've got jets everywhere, again, everywhere. Another great seat. More under the calf jets, under the thigh jets. That incredible lounger, filtration here, easy to get to. Check it out. It is just beautiful. We hope you enjoy this tub. It's as close as you can get to brand new. There is a new installed heater, complete brand new heater system, a brand new circuit board installed. Of course, you've got the brand new black spa cover. There's a lifter that's not shown. That's why the cover is separate right now. The lifter's arriving tomorrow. A brand new black spa cover lifter that'll allow for this cover to come on and off real easy. There'll be a set of steps with it, chemicals. The spa will have a full 1-year warranty, which is incredible. Delivered to anywhere in New Jersey, Eastern PA, or Northern Delaware. This entire package, folks, can be landed in your backyard for just $5,100. That's 5100. Land it in your backyard this week. It's ready to go. So if you enjoy the video, please click like and please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel, because I'll be featuring more great tubs coming up shortly, and also plenty of how-to videos. So thanks for supporting us. We really appreciate it. If you enjoy this tub, you better call now. And this tub could be in your backyard. You can be in hot water. So once again, thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave.